And we developed a simple tool here called a Skim Scan. And this tool allows you to check if there's actually a skimmer that's been placed inside of a gas pump or an ATM. And it works very simple. Green light, red light. Green light means it's safe. So you turn it on, you simply slide the Skim Scan in. If you got a green light, you know there's no skimmer, and then that card reader is safe to use and put your card in. This card reader here has a skimmer in it. So again, I'll test that one. I'll turn it on, I'll slide it in, and instantly you can see a red light, and it enunciates and lets us know that there is a skimmer here. It is not safe, and this pump would have to be shut down, or maintenance would have to be done on the ATM to remove that skimmer, and investigation would then ensue. Now the same is true. Cyber thieves have been effective in placing skimmers and coupling them with Bluetooth. So now they don't even have to put the skimmer inside and take it out. They could place it, leave it, and simply drive up within about 75 feet to 100 feet and collect it with their laptop, the stolen credit cards that are obtained by the skimmer.